Hi, I'm Syntapse and I am the founder of Syntapse, and I'm going to be demonstrating to you today a basic location tracking engine that I've created using leaflet maps, React and express.js. Also with inter-device communications on using Socket.io. So some of the features that I've got to demonstrate to you today are basic tracking across devices. So if I track a device by enabling it there, I should be able to watch that move synchronize between devices. For example, there and there. Now, as I move across, I can see that the location is being tracked exactly, and I'm going to bring those two guys back together there. Now, which is great. Now, what I'm going to show you as well is as I just duplicate that to create a new player, and we see that the number of users has increased, and we've now got 2 users, and we can move between those users. So I'm just going to dash this guy over here. I'm just going to move this guy somewhere else completely, and then I'm going to use my navigation tools to move between users. So I'm just using demo name, random test names here, and we can see that we can also locate ourselves on the map. Now, one of the fun things about this is that we can set tracking enabled for particular users. So, for example, once we've got tracking enabled, we can then start to perform real-time tracking that gives us some pretty fun effects. Now, if I go to the other guy who is, let's see where everyone is, I will track this guy here, and I will come here and move him, and now I should be able to track his movements. There's a slight issue there with my dashboard being thrown up every time I stop. It's got to do with drag and drop, but that's because that's not the native way that this will be used. It'll actually do real-time location tracking, but if I'm lucky, I should be able to just miss that, and there we go. So we pinpoint exactly that position. So if I were to locate myself on this map, center there, and set the tracking on that guy there, we should see that we are indeed tracking remotely across the browsers. So there's a few work that needs to be ironed out here with leaflet maps, caching and so on and so forth, and control 2 levels, but the thing is it's fundamentally operational. Now, where this becomes good fun is we can start to use this for real-time chat. So, for example, I'll just locate myself on the map there, locate myself on the map there, and if I go to communicate to this guy here on this map, I should be able to say, hey there, and we've got real-time chat. And this also works between across multiple users. So if I can find this guy, so there, I should find that we've got 3 and more way communications. Where are you? And so this just continues to work. So each location essentially has their own timeline that they can write on, and they can also write on other users' timelines. So I'm going to give a demonstration of how we can. We've also got video chat, and I'll show you just how that works. So for example, we can, if I select this guy and this guy, and I video chat. Now, due to the fact that I'm filming this, I'm recording this, I can't actually start that because my recording equipment has got the software has grabbed the camera. So what that means is that my video request won't work through the browser. However, this has been tested on mobile and is working very effectively, and I'm using WebRTC for peer-to-peer high-performance video. So we've also got social networking type notifications that are fairly rudimentary at the moment, but can be improved upon greatly. So for example, we can post to our own timeline, and other users will see that activity in a sort of global heartbeat activity stream, and that works across all subscribers, and obviously that can be split up into various groups and maybe tag based. So if we just bring these out of it here, we should be able to see that this is working across the devices. This is a new post, and what we should see now is the other user activity numbers increase, and so they do, and we can see a record of that taking place, which is great. We can also send a message to a user, and if he misses that message, so for example here, I am posting a message to you. You missed that message, and that message has come up in a missed message queue. We can also make video requests, and you can see that that has come up in a missed video calls queue. And then we can go back and return that call at a later stage. We can also do some fun stuff regarding location. So if I just zoom in on these, we can locate to our client user, so that would be ourselves, and we can also locate other users, fairly straightforward, elsewhere on the map. So if we then move him and track him and move him, so we can see that that is real-time tracking that is working across the map there, and we can now move between other users on the map, and we can also locate ourselves. Thanks for watching.